Hey guys, what's up? So, Toby showing top best race sheets, 11, 12, 13, 14. The first sheet's called Evil Scheme, and just want to give a brief moment of silence, guys, for Lorenzo. So, on March 23rd, 2021, Lorenzo tragically passed away. And yeah, you can read all about his family contributing to tributes made to Unitarian Universalist Church of the North Hills and the Chimera Project in his honor. So, yeah, help is variable because they are self-harm. Please don't ever do that. There's always a way, there's always a solution. If you don't have any, it means you haven't found it yet. But there's a solution to everything, guys. You just gotta look hard and not give up. And I can say that from experience. I've been through pretty rough times. You just don't give up and keep going. So, obviously, unless someone else updates it, this week will not get updated. But just show some respect to his developer, guys. He did pass away, unfortunately. But what this suite does is it changes default browser, package manager, navigator, and more. This sheet's called Checkra1n, and running command as root Checkra1n usr bin dpkg install com.creatingcode.checkra1n. This sheet's called Pure Focus or Pure Focus 2, and your device your focus. So supports iOS 13 up. Looking for older support, go for Pure Focus. That's for iOS 12, I guess, and below. iOS 13 up. Pure Focus 2. Disables assets notifications to track naps for a certain amount of time so you can focus solely on doing the tasks that you need to do. Like if you have homework or whatever, you can actually concentrate on that and not be disturbed. I do apologize for that background noise. Next week's called copy for WhatsApp. See guys, that background noise is what you get when you live in a neighborhood. So think about that if you're trying to move, if you want to move into a neighborhood or a town or a city or suburbs, whatever. This is what you have to deal with. So next week's called copy for WhatsApp, and it's basically lets your iDevice shows your contact photos and WhatsApp. Sorry, there's a fly instantly. This sheet's called Calm, and you guys need to calm down. I'm kidding. This fly. Redesigned the lock screen with a new beautiful design and more features like weather and calendar. This sheet's called Tweet Count, shows the number of tweets you have installed and see the breakdown of what type of packages you installed from. This sheet's called ProDrive Launcher iOS Dev. Minecraft Java Edition comes to iOS. This sheet's called Valon and displays Bluetooth battery information and the app switcher, including last known status of disconnected devices. That's pretty cool. This is called libduos-prefs, support library for la carte tersus duos preferences. This is called Magma Pro, tweet that lets you customize almost every color in your control center. This is called UPIP, enables the native YouTube picture-in-picture mode. This is called Modern UI, justice for home button iPhones, iOS 13 and 14. This is called Little 12, brings iPhone features and more to devices running iOS 14. This is called NetVent, monitor your traffic network. Next week's called App Editor, more than 30 plus features, full control and access to apps. Supports iOS 14 and 14.6. Unfortunately, iOS 13, obviously, or 15, which there's no jailbreak for iOS 15 yet, but iOS only supports iOS 14 to 14.6. So you have a bunch of features with this tweak. It's like 5 tweets in one. So really, really cool. Unfortunately, I can't download it because I'm on iOS 13. This is called Eraser, and it's best for you to clean up your app or grid switcher just by one step. Thank you. Are they almost done yet? Next week's called Wasabi. It's a minimalist clipboard manager integrated to on the keyboard. Last week's called Media Widget, a fully functional media widget for iOS 14 and up. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one.